Introducing the UltiMaker Factor 4, industrial-grade performance with reliable and repeatable results. Streamline production, simplify processes, and keep your operations running. Featuring onboard print process reporting, direct dual extrusion, and engineering-grade materials, Factor 4 achieves unrivaled predictability and minimal variance. Precise temperature control across the build envelope, a triple insulated build chamber, and built-in HEPA filter ensure consistent production output on complex and challenging designs. Its H-bridge gantry and direct drive head enable rapid dual material printing. Factor 4 is capable of reaching up to 350 degrees Celsius on its print cores, 70 degrees Celsius on the print chamber, and 120 degrees Celsius on its heated bed. Factor 4 redefines the standards of 3D printing in manufacturing environments. Its conspicuous red stop button ensures easy and safe operation should there be a need to immediately halt printing. An integrated material handling system allows engineers to print consistently and confidently with a variety of durable and high-performance materials, ranging from the new PPS-CF to fully flexible low-Shore-A polymers, all while integrating seamlessly with Cura and major AM software platforms. Tested to achieve over 95% print success rate, Factor 4 delivers consistent results across multiple machines. After each print, it provides an in-depth report, offering comprehensive insights into each print job. UltiMaker Factor 4. Industrial-grade performance, reliable and repeatable results.